we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of DexScout Crank Emergency Weather Radio, 10,000 mAh, that's include. Stay connected in emergencies. This portable weather radio provides reliable access to emergency broadcasts, including NOAA weather alerts, ensuring you are always informed and prepared before hurricane, flood, tornadoes, tsunamis, wildfires, hurricanes, earthquakes, or snowstorms is coming. Versatile functionality. Not only does this NOAA weather alert radio offer AM/FM shortwave radio and Bluetooth speaker capabilities, but it also functions as a torch flashlight and reading lamp and a cell phone charger, providing multiple essential tools in one device. Multiple power options. With 10,000 mAh built-in Li-ion battery, a hand crank generator, solar panel, and AAA backup battery power supply, CEG Crank Emergency Radio guarantees that you will never be without power, even during power outages or when no power source is available. Durable and portable. Designed for outdoor use, this rugged weather radio is built to withstand harsh conditions. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store, making it an excellent choice for camping, hiking, fishing, night biking and other outdoor activities. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.